What is up, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna sit you guys down here for a second. Okay, so it has been a second since I uploaded. I think it's been like 4 days, so I did miss a couple days of my vlog schedule, but pretty much for today's video I'm getting all caught up with you guys. I'm pretty much just showing you guys a week in my life. So this is everything that you guys missed pretty much over the past week. So last Thursday I had my last 2 final exams, and you guys know how stressed out I was about finals, so they're totally done now and it feels really good. So I start this video off with kind of showing you guys my morning before those 2 finals, so those went well. And then the next day I ended up going to Washington DC. My cousin actually just moved there, so I went to visit her and it was so much fun. You guys, DC is like so much fun. I haven't been there in 10 years, and I also have a couple friends from high school that now live there, so I got to catch up with not only my cousin but a couple of really good friends from high school, so that felt really good. So I definitely did do some vlogging while I was there, and not much, but I wanted to pull out my camera and just stay active with you guys, so I vlogged a little bit there. My little trip that I just did to DC was so much fun, not only because I got to see, you know, a lot of people, but also because this was my first time in a very long time that I haven't really had any external stresses going on regarding school or my social life or anything like that. Like, I got to full on just relax and think about a lot of things that I haven't had the chance to think about, like my future plans and stuff like that, and it honestly was a very much needed little weekend getaway. And I also booked another little weekend getaway going somewhere completely different that I've never gone before, a very long way away. And yeah, that's gonna happen at the beginning of January, so I'm really excited about that. I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, I'm back now from my little holiday, and I'm super excited because Vlogmas is picking right back up, so expect to see another video from me this Friday. One more thing I did want to just mention, so I have gotten a couple questions about like my final grades. Some of you guys have just been curious, and I'm totally open to telling you guys my grades. So, okay, first of all, they're not perfect because college is hard, and I had my little 4.0 time to shine for like my first couple of years of college, and then it just started getting really hard. But my overall grades, I got 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, so pretty even, I would say. But yeah, I did get a couple A's, a couple B's, and a couple C's because my classes were very hard this semester, but I'm so excited that the semester's over with. I'm gonna say that like 20 times in this video, just a heads up. But yeah, I am so excited that the semester's over with. I passed all my classes and it feels so good. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this kind of long intro. I just wanted to update you guys and give you a heads up about a couple of things. But I love you guys so much, and let's just get started with the video. Okay, it is 6 a.m. and they're blowing leaves right now in the pitch black right outside the library. Emily just texted me. I think she's coming. Ready for the last study vlog?
Yeah, I did 9. Okay, cool. 9, 10, 11, 11 stuff. Do you feel good about 5, 9, 10, 11? Yeah. Okay. Just 12 through 15.
Exam number 2. Make an appearance. He has to make an appearance.
And then they'll start asking about me.
You guys, I am done with my finance classes for forever. Assuming I pass them all, I'm done. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Hi guys, so it is a few hours later now. It's actually about 3 o'clock. After my exam, I just kind of like hung out with my girlfriends and we got Chick-fil-A and just relaxed. I cannot explain how good it feels to finally be on winter break. This final season was hands down the most like brutal and like hard and just like terrible finals week ever. I cannot explain how good it feels to finally have all of that over with and to finally like have a whole month to myself pretty much for winter break. But on to the next. I'm actually going to DC tomorrow, so I have to drive home pretty much right now so I can go drop Cleo off at her pet sitter's, which is in Raleigh, and then tomorrow I'm going to DC. My cousin actually moved there recently, so I'm gonna go visit her. I haven't seen her in like a year, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. But I have to pack, and I hate packing because I can never pick out what I want to bring, and I always end up either underpacking or overpacking. Let me know in the comments, do you underpack or overpack? But yeah, here's all my stuff kind of laid out. I just like got some sweaters that I'm bringing and like denim jackets and just like, I don't know, cozy stuff just because I want to be warm. Y'all know I don't like the cold weather. I got some shoes, here's my bag, and then just like some PJs and like casual stuff. So I'm trying to be pretty minimal. But yeah, I'm going to DC tomorrow, and then I'm gonna be there until Monday. And then when I get back to Raleigh on Monday, I'm going to drive back to Charlotte and I think hang out here for a couple of days. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this stuff up so I can hopefully hit the road by like 4 or before rush hour traffic hits. But oh my goodness, you guys, I need like a 5-hour energy or something because I just realized I only slept for 2 hours last night. Like I literally did not fall asleep until 2:30 and I woke up at 4:30, so I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, and I know that's gonna hit me like real soon. So yeah, I just realized I need to either go to like Dunkin' or get some kind of 5-hour energy because I am really scared that I'm gonna fall asleep. I don't feel tired right now, but I know I'm gonna crash within the next few hours. Ah! So it is a couple days later now. I honestly have not pulled out my camera that much this trip just because I've been enjoying, you know, like living in the moment and stuff. But I figured I would, you know, vlog today. So it's currently at like 10 a.m. So if I look tired, it's because I am. I was actually up really late last night. We had so much fun. But yeah, I did not get a lot of sleep. But anyways, I'm about to go into Georgetown and just grab some breakfast with my cousin and then do some like touristy things because I figured I should probably do that before I leave. Honestly, have not done anything really touristy since I've been here, so I was like, I should probably go see some like monuments and, you know, like the capitals and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna do all of that today. Before I head out, I did want to update you guys. So 2 nights ago was the best night ever because I got my final grades back for all my classes and I ended up passing them all, which is such a relief. As you guys know, there was this one class that I was just really worried about, and something happened and he came through and I ended up passing, so bless that. It was the 50-hour study week video class. It was that class that I was really worried about, but your girl ended up passing everything, and now I can finally enjoy the fact that it's winter break. Obviously you're kind of worried when you don't know if you passed class or not. Let's go. Guys, so that is pretty much it. As you can tell, I'm now back. I'm actually here in Raleigh. I had to come here to pick up my little puppy Cleo because she was at her pet sitter's, and then I'm actually about to drive back to Charlotte because I have some friends that I have not seen for forever just because of school. So I'm gonna catch up with them. I'm gonna do a ton of filming for you guys and just really enjoy having some me time for the first time in a long time. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you are not already, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!